perfect alternative. But why would you opt for tiles as opposed to traditional? I'll do it all again. But why would you opt for tiles over? Do it again. But why would you opt for? There's thousands of tiles in thousands. There's thousands of tiles. So you mentioned about an industrial aesthetic, an industrial style, and that you're a designer and that sort of influenced your style choices. Can you go into it a bit further about how it's going to look in the final? They're not susceptible to UV damage caused by sunlight. UV damage, I went to it last. Oh, they're not susceptible to UV damage. In terms of the project as a whole, how long do you think it would take to get it finished to the start? Come on, Dino. We've got everything from the authentic replication of Belgian stone offered by Basalt, right through to the authentic things. Hi guys, what a difference a couple of weeks makes, eh? Looks like you've been very busy. They're not porous like stone and concrete is, which means that they're not susceptible to all the British summer. So you can achieve a similar look with our wood effective. You have to cover his ears because he'll grow up.
Oh, that's alright. Get that anyway, his mother.
And the fact that they're fully water resistant means that they won't be damaged by water and things. And the fact that they're fully water resistant means that they're not susceptible to damage by frost damage. Right. In terms of the reclaimed bricks, you mentioned where you got them from and We did a Christmas bloopers video which is live on the YouTube, it's just 2 minutes of me swearing.